All right, we're all set up. What's the temperature, Vicky?
It was 103, I think, when we were coming in.
Yeah, we've been in for maybe a half hour or something. We've got everything set up. So really secluded. This is spot 68. Really unusual because normally you can see the people that are next to you at most of the campsites that have facilities. And this one, there is a campsite on the other side of all this. And obviously you can't see them. And then there's one back down there a ways, but there's no one across from us either. So it's pretty nice. There's a little creek down here. Tomato sauce.
Mm-hmm. Dang, we gotta watch out, huh?
We had a blue jay just. I've never seen a bird do that.
I've
seen seagulls. Seagulls will take
yeah.
stuff right out of your hands. So yeah, he swept down right on the pan. He went back up there, a little fart. Mm-hmm. It's 100 degrees and you're cooking hot food.
I'm getting kind of hot.
I did say we could just have sandwiches.
I know, but we already brought this, so.
It does look good.
Made it in a bigger.
That'll cook down.
Yeah.
We haven't been camping a little while, huh?
It's been 6 months. More?
6 months is crazy. We got the old girl out. I'm referring to the Jeep, Vicky. I'm not referring to you. So it's supposed to be really aggressive raccoons, birds. I think it's the blue jays. What else was it, Vicky? Is it squirrels? Yeah. No bears. So this is not a bear box. It's for the raccoons and stuff, apparently.
I can stand on this side.
So the blue jay just swooped down on the table with the food right here. Never seen that kind of thing. I'm going to swat him.
He is a piece of work.
Wow. He's like watching from somewhere. I feel like in a Hitchcock movie or something.
All right.
Go ahead and take a bite. I'll keep my hand over here to dissuade him. He's up there somewhere. Good?
Mm-hmm. Very nice.
How did you sleep?
I slept okay.
Did you get cold?
Yes, I did.
Yeah. So when we went to sleep, I don't know what it was. It was probably in the 80s then, but it was still pretty warm in here.
Warm.
And then I woke up cold.
Yeah, like what, 20 degrees?
Yeah, well, I mean, it was like 103 and got down to supposed to like 63. So that's 40 degree drop. Make sure there's no critters in here. Salamanders or... It's always so weird when you're camping and there's a water source nearby. During the day, you might barely hear it. But at night when you're in the tent, it sounds so loud. So we could hear this little babbling creek. It was really nice. You can probably barely hear it on this camera. But it was pretty loud in the tent last night. but we were eating breakfast. I wish I had this on video. I'm holding the plate this close to myself while I'm eating. It flies in, like you can feel his wings. And I guess the strategy is just to dive bomb the plate and knock everything everywhere, because he hit the plate so hard it just flew out of my hand. And wow, so I don't know what the strategy is now. We may have to eat our meals inside the Jeep or something. It's crazy. Okay,
So
where are we going?
We're here in the Moses Springs parking area.
All right.
That's where we're parked. And then we're just going to take the Moses Springs Trail to the Rim Trail and just go around. It's a loop that's 2 miles. We might do the Bear Gulch Cave Trail.
You got it all figured out? Heat advisory. Okay. What's the date today? June the 24th. And the campsite, I mean, I wouldn't say the campsite's 25% full. And I don't know if it's the heat, because this, they call it the heat dome. This has been predicted for weeks. Yeah. So people had a lot of notice to know that it was going to be really hot. And that may have scared people off, because you make the reservations and they're not that expensive. So, but normally you can cancel in advance.
You can cancel. There's a fee
for cancellation.
Back. Like there's like the service fee.
You
get that service fee back.
Yeah. So a lot of people just probably canceled in time to get their money back, except for the fee. But I think it's pretty amazing that, you know, I mean, obviously there are, 30-something million people in California, but you can go to these parks. There's really nobody around. And obviously you go to Yosemite and you go to the places that are easy to access. It's crazy busy. But even at Yosemite, if you do some of the more difficult hikes, you usually get away from the crowds. These rock formations are really cool. Oh man, like a 15-degree temperature drop. Did you feel that right there? There's water running down through here. Oh man, this is a natural air conditioner. This feels good. We could just hang out here all day if we had a hammock. Yeah, I don't know if you can, the camera picks that up. You hear the water down there. It'd be cool if a condor flew over right now. Oh, we found a cool spot to stop and have a snack. Whoa! Almost lost my balance. I did lose my balance, almost fell. I'm getting a little vertigo standing right here. So you say they're condors, Victoria?
I think they're condors.
Or what's a bird expert?
Ornithologist?
Who?
Ornithologist, isn't it?
You're asking the wrong guy. Looks cool down in there. Oh, some shade. Whew. Whoa. I did not realize we were going to see water down here. I think they sprawl out that way to keep cool.
Yeah.
Do you think it's 1 mile one way, or you think it's a loop 1 mile, or there and back 1 mile? 1 mile to the overlook. So we're going to do 2 miles total. And then the plan is tomorrow morning, instead of making a big breakfast that the blue jay will attack, we're just going to eat some bars or something and try to get on the trail a little after 7 and beat the heat. So maybe do a longer hike tomorrow instead of these little short hikes. That first hike was really easy.
Yeah.
Easy trail. It was just hot. The first maybe quarter of it was in the shade. It's very hot. And we're the only people out here. Should probably tell us something.
Crazy.
So, we have a cloud over right now, but not a lot of shade. And it's probably, what was it, 94, 95
Yeah,
when we left? So it might be 96, 97.
Okay.
It's very quiet out here.
3/4 of the way there.
3/4 of the way there. Can we make it?
And it's been all uphill.
So based on our scientific research, we believe that the birds that we've seen in the sky with the big wingspan are in fact condors and not turkey vultures.
A lot of them.
And there are a lot of them. And we are now experts in the field. So, all right, a little bit further to Condor Viewpoint. What's it called?
Just viewpoint.
Wow.
This is Condor Gulch.
I just made up
Trail.
the condor part. That sounds good though. Condor
We got a quarter
Viewpoint.
of a mile left. Quarter of a mile.
Okay, all right. I know I'm a tree geek, but I love the color of this park. I don't know what kind of tree this is. I'll try to find out, but it's got some little berries on it. I don't think so. Condor Gulch Trail. We made it to the viewpoint, Vicky. Oh wow, I see like 5 condors right now. They're everywhere. But they fly pretty dang high, so there's 3 right there. So we could go up further, we're not. We're pretty much just about the only fools up here in the middle of the heat.
High noon.
So, like I said, tomorrow morning, maybe we'll get an earlier start.
Yeah.
And we could do a little more difficult hike.
And
It's pretty.
it is pretty. It's all downhill though, coming back down.
It's all downhill.